Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Before we dive in, I have a quick request. This channel is brand new and I really need your support. So, if you're watching right now, please hit that subscribe button. That one click means the world to me, and it helps me keep bringing you strategies that actually work. All right, let's jump in. Your Amazon earnings are zero? Don't worry. I'm about to reveal the 5 mistakes that are literally killing your income. We're going to fix them right now, and once you do, you'll watch your earnings explode. I went from making just $47 in a single month to over $30,000. That wasn't luck. It was simply fixing these 5 insane mistakes. These mistakes are costing you thousands, so if you want to make actual money, do not skip this video. Sin 1. Worshipping commissions, ignoring pain points. The biggest mistake is sorting Amazon by highest commission. Wrong. Nobody trusts you when you do that, and you make $0. You just look like a walking, talking billboard. Fix. Instead, find a real problem and solve it. I'd rather make 3% on a $400 sale than 10% on nothing. It's simple. Math. Every time 5 people ask the same question, boom, you found your next product to review. Sin 2. Thin content. That says nothing new. You cannot post a tiny 400-word review anymore. That might have worked 10 years ago, but today nobody cares. Google ignores it. People leave instantly and you get no clicks. Fix. Go big. For every product, answer these 6 questions. Who is this for? Who would hate it? What's it really like daily? What's the hidden flaw? How is it better than the runner-up? And where's the cheapest price? Do this and your content instantly becomes 10x stronger. Sin 3. SEO blindness. If you ignore Google, you will fail. 80% of channels make this mistake, and they get 0 views. Fix. It takes 10 minutes in a free keyword tool. Find a keyword with at least 1,000 searches per month. Put that keyword in your title, in the first 100 words, in a heading, and even in your image file name. Do this and the results are crazy. Sin 4. Link spam. Stop spamming your links. Everywhere. You'll get banned. People will think you're a scammer and you'll get no clicks. Fix. From now on, one context, one link. Show the problem, present the solution, prove you've used it, and then drop the link. Just once. It's powerful and not desperate. Sin 5. Never touching the product. This is the craziest mistake. If you say, I haven't used this, but the specs look good, people will click away instantly. Conversion rate? 0. Fix. You must touch the product. Buy it, borrow it, ask the company for one. Show yourself using it for 30 seconds. And here's a secret. Point out one small flaw. A scratch, a noise, anything. That honesty builds massive trust. By the way, I made a free checklist with everything we're talking about today. It's called the 7-Point Trust Builder. I use it for every single article. The link is in the description. Download it right now so you can stop losing money. Let's do a quick recap. Stop chasing commissions. Solve problems. Make your content 10 times better. Use Google SEO to get free views. Stop spamming links everywhere. Actually use the product. And here's a bonus secret. I added one tiny thing and got 28% more people to come back to my channel. Instead of a screaming pop-up, I offered a simple PDF of my notes. It works like magic. All right, friends, if you found value today, do me one favor. Please hit subscribe. My channel is still new, and your support means everything. Also, comment below which of these 5 sins you're guilty of. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.